Looking for the perfect digital multimeter to make your measurements easier, faster, and more accurate? In today's video, we'll compare 3 top digital multimeters, testing their precision, features, and real-world performance. Stay tuned till the end to find out which one is the best choice for you. Number 3. UNI-T Digital Multimeter. The UNI-T Digital Multimeter is a versatile and professional-grade measuring instrument for both hobbyists and professionals in the electrical and electronics field. It features true RMS capability, providing accurate readings even when measuring nonlinear AC signals. The multimeter supports a maximum AC/DC voltage of 1000 V and a current measurement range of up to 20 A, making it suitable for high-power applications. It can measure DC current in ranges of 60 μA, 60 mA, 600 mA, and 20 A, and AC current in 60 mA, 600 mA, and 20 A. It also measures capacitance and resistance up to 100 mΩ, but does not support inductance measurement. The multimeter also measures frequency and duty cycle measurements, and temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. It is built for durability, 1 meter drop proof, and features an ergonomic design with double injection molding. It is powered by batteries and has an efficient sampling rate of 3 times per second. The product link is provided in the description box below. Number 2. ZOYI Digital Multimeter. The ZOYI ZT703S and ZT702S are compact, handheld devices that combine digital oscilloscope, multimeter, transistor tester, and signal generator functions. The ZT703S has a 50 MHz bandwidth and real-time sampling rate, making it ideal for analyzing higher frequency signals and detailed waveform observation. It also features a dual-channel oscilloscope, allowing simultaneous comparison and analysis of 2 signals. Both devices are digital multimeters with a wide range of measurement capabilities, including DC and AC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance measurements, and a signal generator. The displays are crisp and informative, with auto-ranging mode for easy selection. The devices have CE, FCC, and RoHS certifications, ensuring compliance with international safety and environmental standards. They are compact and portable, measuring 177 by 89 by 40 mm, and come with a rechargeable battery for wireless work. The product link is provided in the description box below. Number 1. ANENG Digital Multimeter. The ANENG N870 Digital Multimeter is a high-performance, user-friendly device designed for professional technicians and DIY enthusiasts. It offers accurate and reliable measurements in various electrical applications, including AC, DC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, temperature, diode testing, and continuity. The device features a large 19,999 count LCD display, backlit for easy operation, and supports auto-ranging and manual ranging modes. The N870 is built with ABS material for durability and safety, with features like a low battery alert, overlimit warning, and auto power off. The data hold function freezes current readings, while the relative measurement mode compares values or eliminates background noise in sensitive circuits. The max/min recording function captures highest and lowest readings, making it a comprehensive diagnostic tool for electronics or electrical systems. The product comes with batteries, instruction manual, standard wiring, and temperature measurement line. The product link is provided in the description box below. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.